Alright guys, we're back out on this heat pump. As you can tell, she doesn't sound real happy, but she's also way low on charge. So we're gonna pop some more into her and see what happens. Letting her in slowly. What are we at, Matt? 4.5. Okay. She'll start to quiet down once we get more in there. We want to get some subcooling going here. Keep going. Raise this. We got to raise our head pressure. Should be over 300 at this temp. Should get our superheat to start dropping the more we get in there. We're still under factory charge. Let's let that stabilize. We'll add some more.